Hey Rylan, welcome to a one-on-one session for your very first assignment to get you passing. First, I'm going to ask you to go to classwork. Then you're going to click on assignment 1, elephant seals, and view assignment. So now that you're in here, let's start off by going over some vocabulary terms. These are words that are going to be showing up in the world's largest seal assignment. Enormous means very large. The Snorlax is enormous. Dominance, power over others. The Arceus will battle other Pokemon to establish his dominance. Clumsy, awkward in movement or handling things. Spinda uses her clumsy movements to confuse her opponents. Colonies, groups of animals living together. Victreebel are said to live in huge colonies deep in jungles. Permanent, lasting indefinitely. Once you evolve Eevee to Valerian, it is permanent. You can't go back and make it an Eevee again. Blubber. Fatty tissue can help animals stay warm. Muck has blubber that is sticky and toxic to other Pokemon. Bellow. Make a roaring sound. Ursaring's loud bellows make other Pokemon fear him. So those are the terms you're going to be seeing in the elephant seals assignment. So I'm going to back out of here and we're going to go ahead and click on the assignment. So you can either print this out and take a picture of your answers and email it to me, or you can fill it directly on the document. If you choose to fill it directly on the document, this is what you need to do. You're going to click on Open a New Window, and you are going to download it. And then it is going to show up over here, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to open it up in a Word document. So what I've done here is I've bolded out our vocabulary words, and I've highlighted some key elements that will help support you in answering the following questions. So let's start off by reading this assignment. World's Largest Seal by Guy Belleranti. In the freezing ocean waters of Antarctica, the planet's largest seals make their home in a frozen world. These giants are southern elephant seals, and they can grow as long as the length of a car and weigh as much as 2 cars combined. The name elephant seal comes from both the male's enormous size and from their giant trunk-like nose called a proboscis. Females do not have a proboscis, and they are much smaller. Remember your Snorlax? That's enormous. A thick layer of blubber keeps southern elephant seals warm in their icy habitat. The seals are clumsy on land, but in water, they're graceful swimmers and incredible divers. They can easily dive 1,000 to 4,000 feet to hunt for squid, octopus, and various kinds of fish. Tasty. Elephant seals are able to stay underwater for 20 minutes or more. The longest underwater session researchers observed is an amazing 2 hours. When they return to the surface to breathe, it's only for a few minutes. Then they dive again. While elephant seals spend most of their time swimming, they also gather on beaches in groups called colonies. One reason they come on land is to give birth and breed. Males arrive before females. They battle for dominance, deciding who will have the largest harem of females. Raising their enormous bodies, the males inflate their snouts and bellow. Usually these confrontations end quickly. However, sometimes only a physical battle can settle the matter. These fights can be bloody, but permanent injury is rare. Females arriving on land give birth to a single pup they've been carrying since the previous year. Newborns weigh about 90 pounds. The mother nurses her pups for a little over 3 weeks. After this, she breeds with a dominant male and then returns to the sea to feed. Her pup now weighs well over 200 pounds and is on its own. If it survives, it too will enter the sea within a couple of months. A second reason elephant seals come to land is to molt. When they molt, they shed old skin and fur, and new skin and fur grows. A smaller species, the northern elephant seal, lives in the Pacific Ocean, dispersed from Baja California to Alaska. Both northern and southern elephant seals were once hunted nearly to extinction. However, under legal protections, both have made incredible comebacks. So let's look at the questions. Based on the information in the article, describe how an elephant seal's movement are different on land than in water. So you're going to answer that question here. Why do male elephant seals arrive on land before females during the breeding season? According to the information in the article, describes 2 reasons why elephant seals come on land. How does an elephant seal obtain its food? What foods are part of an elephant seal's diet? And based on what you read in the article, are elephant seals in danger of becoming extinct today? Why or why not? Here are some vocabulary terms. I would encourage you to look back on your vocabulary terms list if you're having trouble with this, okay? Remember, take a look at that list and think about the Pokemon that are involved. Extremely large, power or superiority over others, awkward, ungainly, lasting indefinitely, groups of elephant seals, disappearance from the planet, fatty tissue that helps sea mammals stay warm, and make a loud roaring sound. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.